Introducing the 2023 Nissan Leaf 62K EV SV Premium Cold Pack 62 kWi in stunning blue. This electric MPV boasts an array of top-notch features, including ambient lighting, satellite navigation, collision alert, and self-driving capabilities. With a focus on comfort, safety, and style, this Leaf is sure to impress. Plus, rest easy knowing it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit windsor.ie for more information on how you can make this exceptional vehicle yours today. Drive into the future with the 2023 Nissan Leaf.